Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide Instagram posts from someone. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, just head over to your DM section on the top right. And in here, head over to any conversation. I'm just heading over to this one. Just tap on the profile, and here you will find the options section. Just tap on the three dots, and here you will find the option of report. Just tap on report or just tap on restrict. So once you tap on restrict, they will be restricted, and their posts and their text messages will be hidden from you, and yours one will be hidden from them too. So yeah, this is how you can just hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.